Pinspark makes such great athletic wear, and this jacket is proof of that. It's so comfortable, soft, buttery. I got this purple color, but it comes in a variety of colors. It has the opening for the thumbs right here. You can wear it like that, or of course you can go ahead and pull it up, whatever you prefer. But I love this, especially like on a cold, crisp fall morning. It's great to have this option. And then it has these zip pockets on both sides, so if you're out running or playing sports, tennis, what have you, you can throw your keys and your cell phone in here and you don't have to worry about it falling out because it's nice and secure. And then you can zip this up and down, of course. And on the inside, it has two bonus pockets right here, so you can add any additional items if you are carrying a lot. Overall, it's really comfortable. It's such a great material, such a cute fit. I like it with, like, skirts are really in right now, and of course you can always pair it with a pair of leggings and you'll look great either way.